Happy Monday minute. Jerome is pissed because he wanted to stay home and game, but no, not today. Our tank, oh my gosh, we got this tank at what, PetSmart or Petco?
No.
One of them.
We got this tank at Goodwill. It's
no,
a
that
terrarium.
was, so, rewind. Our first tank ever was actually a terrarium that we bought at Goodwill and we never had a single problem with. Never. But me being the bougie bitch that I am was like, I want a new tank. And from day one, our brand new tank that we got at Petco or PetSmart has been a pain in the ass. We have had brown algae forever. Ever since we got this new tank. Goodwill tank, not a problem. Goodwill terrarium, not a problem. Brand new Petco fish tank, fucking problems. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I learned a hard lesson, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But anyways, I convinced Jerome to stop gaming and take me to the fish store because I really want to get some algae eaters. OG tequila sunrises.
I told.
That is probably my favorite aquarium ever in San Antonio, Texas. It's called Aquarium Designs. We've been there before and we bought filters from there, just a lot of good stuff in general. But this time, like getting more footage and checking it all out, oh man, super, super cool. So I'm super excited for our new fish. It's what, a PELCO? It's a PELCO and it's an algae eater and it was $9.99, which is kind of expensive for us for a fish. We wanted to get more than one, but the guy that worked there, he was one of the co-owners, he said one would be perfect. And it's always just good to see how he reacts to the tank because we have some aggressive little tiger barbs. But yeah, I am super, super excited to see how he does. What should we name him? Comment below, what do you think we should name him? He's super, super cool. He's like probably my new favorite fish, except still love Mr. Polka Dots. But yeah, happy Monday minute, you guys. I hope you'll have the best day ever, and until the next time.